Space exploration is taking its next big step. With major players back in game, the space race is revived, this time with the aim for human space flights to the orbit, the moon and the ultimate goal, Mars. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the new age of space exploration. This is Question Mark channel and welcome to Destination Space. Hey guys, welcome to the Question Mark channel. With the space race back on the world's agenda, the next few decades are shaping up to be some of the most exciting and important decades for mankind. So, before we explore the upcoming missions, let's go back to where it all started. Let's visit the USSR in 1957 and the first satellite to be ever placed into the Earth's orbit. Sputnik 1 was the first artificial satellite to be placed in the Earth's orbit, launched on 4th October 1957. It was a polished metal sphere with a diameter of 58 cm, with 4 external radio antennas for broadcast, a very recognizable and iconic shape. It was launched during the International Geophysical Year from the legendary Baikonur Cosmodrome in Kazakhstan, using the R-7 semi-Orca rocket. It was operational for almost 3 weeks before its batteries died out. After 2 months of silent orbits, it fell back into the atmosphere on 4th January 1958. Sputnik 1 was nowhere near capable of today's satellites, but tracking and studying it provided scientists with information about the upper atmosphere and the ionosphere. The satellite traveled at a peak speed of about 8,000 meters per second, taking 96.2 minutes to complete each orbit. It transmitted on 20.005 and 40.002 MHz, which were monitored by radio operators throughout the world. It was the Sputnik 1 launch that triggered the famed space race, a term initially used in the Cold War to represent the rivalry between the USA and the USSR to achieve superior spaceflight capacities, which is still existent, now with more players joining the competition, with Europe, China and India, followed closely by Japan and Canada, with eventually more countries to join. Sputnik 1's launch was not considered an impressive feat by the US, with President Eisenhower claiming he was not surprised by the launch. Although looking back through all the missions from the ISS, the Apollo program, Soyuz, etc., Sputnik 1 was and will continue to go down in history as one of the most important scientific undertakings in known history, because it was Sputnik 1 and the USSR that realized and set in motion the idea of space exploration beyond the boundaries of our own planet. That's it for today. Thanks for watching and do consider subscribing for more interesting content like this. Thank you.